If you want to learn how to germinate spinach, you found the right video. And if you've struggled in the past, I want you to know I feel your frustration. So have I, but I've mastered this now and it's so easy. So the first thing you need is like a tray or a plate, and you're going to cover that with a paper towel and then get that wet with like reverse osmosis or purified water. Then we're going to lay out our seeds right on top. And I'm actually doing like 4 different types here. And then we're going to lay out another layer of wet paper towel on top and put it into blackout for 24 hours. Then we're gonna shove it into the fridge for 2 days. Yes, folks, the fridge. And after the 2 days is up, you're gonna pull that out and you'll begin to see germination. If you see a bunch of seeds that haven't yet, don't worry. Any seed that germinates, you should really pull out and plant that now. But over the next few days and weeks, you're just gonna see these take off. And this took my germination rates from like non-existent to over 75%. And that's pretty much it. That's the secret, is putting in the fridge for 2 days changed everything for me. And I'm actually doing a lot of rock wool lately. So you see me pulling them out. I'll put some soil in to give them a little bit more depth. And after they grow to, 1 inch to 2 inch, a little bit stronger roots, then it's time to take them and transplant. Now I'm growing in this small indoor urban farm I created, and I love using tower garden. This is a high density tower that has over 100 planting spots, which is insane. I love it. It grows itself, it waters itself, the lights turn on and off by themselves. And so really once you put them in, it's just plug and play, always an exciting time. And before you know it, 30 days, 40, 50 days later, you're gonna have fresh spinach to cut and add to your own meals or to add to different farm products that you sell. And honestly, when you grow your own spinach at home, it is so much better than the store, including organic. Spinach is notorious for being bombarded with different herbicides, pesticides. Also, spinach will lose most of its nutritional value within the first 7 days of being harvested. I am not just saying this because I sell tower gardens or because I'm a farming channel, but when you grow your own spinach, you just can't go back. It's so much better. It's night and day. Like, you'll eat it and your mind will be blown that it could even get this good. Like, most of us have just not experienced how fresh and amazing our food can be. So I hope this video has helped you. This is how I do it, works for me every time, and I imagine it will for you also. If you've enjoyed it, give it a like, subscribe if you haven't, maybe share it with someone else who may enjoy it, and I'll see you in the next one.